Originally recorded and sent for you by Waylon and Willie back in 1971. And put that Waylon and Willie, good-hearted woman, Dallas Wayne here from the birthplace of country music, Bristol, Tennessee. It's going to be a good day of music. We got a whole bunch of fun stuff picked out for you. Charlie Pride on the way. Got one from Del Reeves, too. This one right here from everybody's brother, Billy.
On the road, make sure you're staying on the road. You want to go on the ditch, guys.
Okay. Why don't you put like a way to tell you where the grocery store is, like a pathway?
Pass me the phone, darling.
I was holding.
Huh?
Not back up quite so far. Like when it comes to your hand, only back up about 6 inches.
Okay.
Because when you get that big long one, you got too much torque.
Okay.
Okay.
And then push it slowly or
No,
give it
just
to
like,
him?
like
I'll say stop and go.
I can feel you when you start. Like we went about
Okay.
4 feet there, man.
Oh, good.
But that last one, you were so far back, it was.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start slow, then I speed up a little.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell you what.
Tell them to go through. Cops. Okay, ready? Fourth guy that was stuck in this spot, thanks to Bobby with his tractor and Donnie digging up people. Oh, there's a car coming up this way. There's a crazy storm up here today. I got stuck a bit earlier with my kids in the truck, and my neighbor came with his tractor and pulled me out. Then my other neighbor got stuck up there who came to help me out. So I went and pulled him out. Like, it doesn't look bad here because we're right in the bush, but when you get out in the open and in the flats, there's mounds and mounds of snow on the road. The wind, crazy wind.